I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to put refrigerant in your Hyundai Sonata. First, identify the correct refrigerant type for your vehicle, typically found under the hood. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and protective gloves to prevent injury. Next, locate the low-pressure service port on your car's air conditioning system, which is usually on the larger diameter line and often marked with an L or a blue cap. With your car running, turn the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest setting. Now, firmly attach the quick connect fitting of your refrigerant recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. Ensure it clicks securely into place. Once connected, the pressure gauge on your kit will display the current refrigerant level in your system, giving you an initial assessment of what's needed before adding any refrigerant. Hold the refrigerant can upright and slowly open the valve on the recharge hose. Add the refrigerant into the system in short, controlled bursts, typically for 5 to 10 seconds at a time. Between each burst, check the pressure gauge to monitor the level. It is critical not to overfill the system, as excessive pressure can lead to costly damage to your AC components. Once the pressure gauge indicates the correct level, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. Now, feel the air coming from your car's vents to confirm it is blowing cold and effectively cooling the cabin. Finally, visually inspect the service port connection for any signs of leaks, ensuring a secure and sealed system for optimal air conditioning performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.